fingers off with my bare hands.
Sure you could, Zuko. I just broke 6 fingernails.
Hey, these hubcaps ain't got a scratch on them. I bet they're worth 2 beans a piece easy.
No kidding. Hey, how much do we get for these dice?
Now, who the hell would put brand new chromers on a second-hand Dodger car?
Probably some real tool.
Hey, come on, let's go push these things off on somebody.
At 11 o'clock at night? Yeah, maybe you could push them off at a police station.
A police station? What a laugh. They don't use these kind of hubcaps on cop cars.
Hey, look, here comes some guy. Make tracks, sticks to the evidence. Come on, let's go.
Hey, wait a minute. It's Kaniki.
Hey, put those things back in the car, dipstick.
Oh, jeez, what a grouch. We was only holding them for you so nobody'd swipe them.
Hey, Kaniki, where'd you get these cool dice?
Hey, Kaniki, what are you doing with this hunk of junk anyway?
Hunk of junk? What do you mean? This is greased lightning.
Do you really expect to make out in this sardine can?
Hey, get bent, Latieri.
Nice color. What is it? Candy apple primer?
That's all right. Wait till I give it a paint job, soup up the engine. She's gonna work like a champ.
The one, the only, Grease Lightning!
All of me go head lifters and 4 real quads, oh yeah. A few injection cut off chrome plated rods, oh yeah. Oh, with the 4 feet on the wall, let me waiting at the door. You know we're out of town, so I'll be really making out with Grease Lightning. Grease Lightning, you're burning up the quarter-mile. Grease Lightning, go, Grease Lightning, go. Grease Lightning, you're coasting through the heat lamp trial. Grease Lightning, go, Grease Lightning, what's free? The chicks will dream of Grease Lightning. On me, first tail, it's 30-inch fins, oh yeah. A Palomino dashboard will do of the winds, oh yeah. But with the 4 feet on the floor, they be waiting at the door. You know we're out of town, so I'll be really making out with Grease Lightning. Grease Lightning, you're burning up the quarter-mile. Grease Lightning, go, Grease Lightning, go. Grease Lightning, you're coasting through the heat lamp trial. Grease Lightning, go, Grease Lightning, what's supreme? The chicks will scream for Grease Lightning. Go ahead, laugh it up. You can go back to your pajama party. Plenty of chicks would get down on their knees to ride around this little number.
Sure they would. What do you think this is, a gangbang? Hey, Danny. I left your girlfriend flashing all over the place at Marty's.
What are you talking about?
You know, Sandra Dombrowski, Sandra D.
It'd be cool, you guys.
You better tell that to Rizzo.
She's the fun.